Sitting between the major cities of Dallas and Fort Worth is Cedar Hill State Park, an urban oasis perfect for a weekend getaway with the family. Not far from headquarters is a large day-use area by Joe Pool Lake. Shoreline Trail will take you along the lake and past picnic benches to designated swimming areas. One of the major points of interest here is Penn Farm, previously owned by John Wesley Penn and used to raise cattle for over a century. This is a very interesting piece of history, and I recommend everyone explore the old buildings and the grounds. Admission is free. Across from Penn Farm, you can access Talala Trail, a 2.3 moderate trail that can take up to 2 hours to complete. Driving down South Spine Road will take you to the Duck Pond trailhead. This trail is 0.8 miles long and considered easy. Past the parking area for Duck Pond Trail is the boat ramp. There is a very large space for parking, as well as an area to rent kayaks and picnic. Perch Pond is a great place for anyone to fish for trout as well as catfish. The best part is that no fishing license is needed. Close by is another day-use area with views of Joe Pool Lake. Close to Perch Pond is the entrance to the DORBA Trails. Named after the Dallas Off-Road Bicycle Association, these trails were built for mountain bikers by mountain bikers. With two major cities close by, people may forget that camping is also available. Camping ranges from $25 to $30 a night. For large gatherings, you can rent the Recreation Hall. This space holds 96 people and offers scenic views of Joe Pool Lake. The fee to rent the hall is $1,000 a day. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.